Hi, welcome to the beginning of the People's Choice Classic to People's Choice Accounting Conversion and Training Program. And the first step for getting started with this program is to download and install the People's Choice program that we'll be using. We have a special install that has demo data targeted specifically for People's Choice Classic customers that are upgrading. So where we'll be going, once you get in the email, you'll have the link to go log into the customer portal. So put in your you'll be going to savechoice.customerhub/documents, or you'll be directed to the file boxes, which is where it's at on the Customer Hub account. And so you put in the credentials you have. If you've have an account and forgot your password, just go down here and click Forgot Password and put in your email address, and it'll allow you to reset your password. Otherwise, when you log in, you will be taken to either this page or possibly directly to this page in the file box. You go up to your name, go to file box, and here, and the file that we're wanting to download is this file right here. That's the one that's specially designed for the People's Choice participants of this conversion upgrade plan. So you would go ahead and click download. And once it's downloaded, typically I usually recommend that you put it to your download folder. And so you would click save, and we've done it once, but I'm going to overwrite it again. And so it's going to download. So once the download is complete, depending on what browser you're using, it's in your download folder. I'll pause for a second, and I'm going to switch to my download folder. So in the download folder, what you would go ahead and do is you would just double click on the file. If you do get this message, just click on More Info, and it should say what it is, and it should say it's published by Safe Choice Inc. And it's possible you may not see this in the video, but it's a Windows Defender, and it says Windows protecting your PC. So you click on that, and then you would click Run anyway. And you won't see this message, but it's a user account control screen. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And on there it should say the People's Choice Accounting Desktop Setup, Verified Publisher, Safe Choice Inc. So if that's what you see, you would go ahead and click Yes. And it's bringing you to the installation program. And so here's the wizard for installing that. So you go ahead and just click Yes, say it's okay, click Forward. Now, if you don't have a 32-bit version of Access on your machine, it's going to prompt you to install that. If you already have one, like I do, then it just takes me right here, and then you click OK. Just keep in mind that the default password to get into the demo company is user1 for the login and user1 for the password. So I'll click OK. And then it's going to take you to this page, and we ask that you go ahead and fill in your name and email and submit this, so that we're aware that you have this installed. Once you've submitted this, you'll be receiving another email with directions for the program, and there'll be some videos that are going to be made available to you. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, because this should open up. And this is going to be the menu you see, and it's going to have 3 companies on it. Our standard demo, which is an accrued-based demo, but for this class we have these 2 other ones that we'll be using. This PCC Convert to PCA was the one we used on the webinar, and there's going to be some separate videos showing how to enter checks and so forth that you can watch prior to the classes beginning on October 5th, and You can use this for practicing and learning until you get your own converted data, and then that'll get restored into this copy. This People's Choice Enterprise demo, that's company 99 in your company, in your classic program, and we've converted that, and it's going to be mainly used so you can see what it would look like. You could look at your People's Choice Classic in the company 99, and then you could see what it would look like after we convert it over. So those will be available. So once you've accomplished this, again, if you've submitted that form, then you'll be receiving another email with the next steps, and also the copy to, or the registration for your accountant copy if you want your accountant to get an accountant's copy of the People's Choice Accounting Program to better service you using this program and them having it available to them.